I'm Bridget from Crosby. One of my favorite things about baking is sharing it with family and friends. And when I have a group of friends coming over for supper, I love to make this one bowl gingerbread cake. No fuss, no muss, you just need one bowl to mix it in and one pan to bake it in. This gingerbread is beautifully spiced and the texture is just dense enough. And even better, you can make it ahead of time because the flavor improves with age. Made in a 9 by 13 inch pan, this recipe can serve up to 20, but I slice it into 12 generous pieces. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 13 inch pan or line it with parchment paper. In a large bowl, heat the butter with the sugar, beat in the eggs one at a time, then the molasses, and finally beat in the boiling water. To the same bowl, sprinkle over the flour, spices, baking soda and salt and beat until smooth. This batter is very thin. Pour it into the prepared pan and bake for 45 minutes to an hour. A tester should come out with just a few moist crumbs attached, or you'll notice it's ready when the cake starts to pull away from the sides of the pan. When done baking, remove the cake from the oven and set it on a rack to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, then remove it from the pan to finish cooling. Serve warm with cinnamon whipped cream. I'm sure you'll love this gingerbread as much as I do. For more delicious molasses recipes, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.